it's technically not the next day yet. It's still the night before. I'm on my way home from that concert that I talked about. And it was a great time. David, Kim, Travis, thanks for having me. Gene, it was great sitting with you. Had a great time. Darian, Brooke, Aldridge, you guys did a phenomenal job. A pleasure to see you just use your God-given talent. This is just a short introduction. I'm going home early, gonna wake up about 2 in the morning, take a baseball team over to the airport at about 3:30, and so I'm gonna call it a night. The next time I'm in this car, it'll be 2 in the morning. Checking all these lights. I'm kind of weirded out by every corner. We've had some homeless guys staying in different parts of our building, and so if they're here and we need to deal with it, that's decently okay. It's just weird not to know whether they're in the building or not at 3 in the morning. All right, nothing from here. Grabbing the keys, getting some coffee, getting the baseball team. All right, youth pastor pro tip number 653. Always grab 2 copies of the church bus that you're going to be driving. The last thing you want to do is drive it an hour away, 8 hours away, 5 minutes away, and only have 1 copy that gets locked inside the bus. And then call the senior pastor or one of the secretaries to come bring you another pair. You don't want to do that. Always take 2 pairs, hand it to the person that's riding with you, stick the other one somewhere else. Don't drive under the breezeway. So many hallways, so many doors and blind spots. 3 in the morning without coffee. That's one way to wake up. Well, it's still pretty early today. Everyone at my house is probably still asleep. A few things I want to do is visit my favorite Starbucks. I want to try to get an iPhone XS Max today and sell my current phone, which is just the XS. I want the bigger screen. I want to check out a Goodwill that's not too far away from here. It's on my way home. And I'm lugging around this big bus, so After that, I think I'll hit up a yard sale that's going on in Cherryville and see if there's anything worthwhile there. The tough thing is that it's still very early, so a lot of things are still closed, but not Starbucks, so let's go there. I'm convinced that most of the time when we run into problems, if we were just nice and loving and kind about it, the problems would fix themselves. The other day I came to Starbucks. When I wanted to pay, I asked the lady behind the counter if she would reload my Starbucks card with $15. She charged me for the drinks and for the card, and so I spent like 30 bucks. Bring it back up to the manager nicely, kindly, gives me a free drink. I fully realize the comedy of driving around Charlotte in a church bus. I know. The thing is, when you live so far away from Charlotte, you have to wake up at 2 in the morning to come here. You might as well enjoy it, you know? Feel bad. He wanted me to give him some directions around Charlotte, and I try to figure out based upon what I learned in New York, but realistically, I live in a very small town and I have no idea how to get around Charlotte. Store in Charlotte, and these people were lined up outside. They're here to flip. They're here for the flip game, and it's funny to me because in Cherryville, like, no one wakes up that early to try and flip things. But I mean, they have gloves on. They're ready to go. They're trying to go to eBay in 5 minutes. That's crazy. Here looking at books. These folks are over here flipping the flip life. Let me show you what a Cherryville thrift shop looks like. Say hi to the world.
Hello, world. My name is Sergeant Dale, world.
That's right. Where we at?
We at the Terrible Ministry.
That's right. That's right. You know it. How you doing, brother? You know, it's amazing when you wake up at 2 in the morning, the amount of stuff that you can get done in one given day. I'm hitting the post office. It's my last stop. I'm going to ship something off to Sheldon and Rebecca and their newborn baby Piper. Congratulations, guys, on your new baby. You should be getting something in the mail from me in just a few days. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you later.